and Meerab.
Today we're unboxing these toys. As you can see, there's a duplicate right over here.
Yeah, because
Over
we
here.
have to use these for
And
our next
another
video.
Yeah. So please hit the notification bell to
And
see
subscribe
that video.
button.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
click
you-
the subscribe button. How can
Yeah,
we
so you
ever
can be the
forget it?
first one to see our new video.
Yep.
So let's get started.
I'm gonna be unboxing this first.
Yeah, so it's for ages 3 and up. It says here, follow me dancing, so you can actually learn dancing. It's from Good Boys. Wait a minute. There's a little Good Boy written on his cap. That is so cute.
Hey, what's written over here?
It says baby. It has lights and music.
Okay.
On the side here, it says soft sounds, cute shape, bright and rhythmic lightnings bring happiness to the children, and much more. And over here is this cute little baby. So cute. He has a little microphone here. That is so amazing. I love it. And here it says for ages 3 and up. It says cute pig. So let's get this baby out of the box.
I can unbox it.
Yeah. Oh. Let's take the box out of the way.
So here's the kid. Here's the kid. This
So
looks
cute.
really cute. Can you take off the cap though? So
Can't
where
take
did
off
it
the
turn
cap.
on? Oh, here it is. See?
Oh, nice.
Oh, look.
So here you can put batteries. It requires some batteries. You already put it in here. It has 3 AA batteries. So let's turn this on. Oh, what?
What?
It's not working?
Work.
You have to work. You have to use you for a video.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think it's gonna work a little bit later. What? Oh, here.
Yeah. So what a little up.
Okay. Ah, he's walking. Let's move on to our next toy.
Yep.
Next, I'm unboxing this cute dog, and it dances. Oh my goodness, he has this little ball that's going to be so cute. Oh my goodness, it has a full 360-degree rotation. That is amazing. It has lights, music, sounds, and it is for ages 3 and up. So,
Where does it
you
fit
open
it?
it
Oh,
from
yeah.
here. Yep.
Oh,
So we actually remove all the tape and stuff before we started, because it takes a lot of time.
Hey, the
Here's-
ball.
Oh yeah, the ball. Okay, so he has a hole in the nose to put his ball in, and
That's
it's
kinda
so
funny.
cute.
This
Still with
ball is gonna
us.
get new
So cute.
Let's put
Oh,
it
he's
back.
kind of cute. Okay, I think it's done. Let's open it and see how he works. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh.
See that rainbow on the wall?
Whoa. Let's turn off the lights. Weird. It's pretty cute. You cannot see because it's dark. Wow. Look at that amazing pattern on the walls.
Yeah, you can see it better than you guys.
Yeah, it's like so cute. Ah,
The best. Let's show them.
let me show here. Okay, he's really cute. Now let's move on to the this happy clown beats the drum happily. What are you doing?
I'm trying to remove this. This is really fast.
Yeah, I don't like these spookies. So it has 3D lights. Okay, that's cute. It has music, light. Ooh, it says bumpkin and battery.
3 and up. 3 and up.
Yep, and it's for ages 3 and up. Oh my goodness.
3 and up. Looks
I-
pretty small from the side.
Yeah, I love reading side of the boxes. It's one of my favorite things to do. Beat the drum by both hands. Dazzling light on the drum surface. Wonderful music is playing so successfully. I will change the direction when meeting the obstacle during the course of drumming. Ooh, cool. So it's perfect. Let's get this clown out of the box. Ooh. Ah, there. So colorful, guys. Look at his shoes. His shoes are ginormous
Yeah.
comparing to its body. Like his shoes
These
are
are not
ginormous.
shoes. These are skating shoes.
Yeah. So he has a little hair. So I think the lights are gonna turn on right there. This drum is so cute. It has little musical thingies. Oh, some cute stars.
Oh, yeah.
See? And his dress is red and white. It's giant red nose. When I was little, I thought it was a potato, but it's a tomato. So it's the clowny makeup, and it's pretty cute at the back.
If it was a tomato, they were gonna rat you.
Yep. Well, let's open it up. Oh! See, guys. Yeah, it's super fast. Oh, look, he's changing direction when he meets an obstacle. See? So cute.
I'm not gonna let him go anywhere. Alright, let's get this out of the way. It's going really fast.
I think this clown's crazy clown. Okay, his speed is really cool. And you can actually hear the beating on the drum, and the surface actually lights up. Let's check that surface lighting, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it in my hand to check the lighting only. Wow. That is so cool. Love it. And sides, so...
And face.
Well, his face is perfectly fine. So, it was a lot of fun to open cool toys with you guys. Yeah, and we still have a puppy which is not unboxed.
But we already unboxed it.
Yeah, but I feel bad for this puppy, so let's get it out of the box too.
Huh. And I want to fix it up.
Okay, so we have two.
I'm going to show you how to fix it up.
Yeah, we just put it in the nose. Oh. Just put it in the nose and it's ready to go. So cute. Actually, my cousin had a seal like this. It's not a puppy, but it's a seal. So we had a lot of fun opening toys with you guys. And if you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and ring that little bell so you get first on every video. And we'll see you guys next time. Because right now we have to take care of this puppy. Yeah, because right now we have to take care of this cute little puppy. Bye.
Bye.